From the exact moment you were old enough to understand words, a massive, global lie was violently programmed into your subconscious mind. You were told by your teachers, your parents, and society that the absolute, undeniable secret to wealth is hard work. Look around you. The construction worker sweating under the scorching sun for 12 hours a day is working incredibly hard. The corporate employee grinding through 80-hour weeks, sacrificing their health just to pay off credit card debt, is working furiously hard. But are they rich? If hard work, physical labor, and trading your precious time were the true mathematical formulas for wealth, then the hardest manual workers on planet Earth would be billionaires. But they are not. In fact, the vast majority of them are deeply, painfully broke. For over 60 years, I have studied the exact science of getting rich. And I am here to tell you that hard work is the greatest illusion ever sold to the human race. In the next 18 minutes, I am going to show you exactly why everything you have been taught about earning money is completely backward. I will hand you the exact psychological framework, the specific paradigm shift that the top 1% of earners use to aggressively multiply their income while actively decreasing their physical labor. If you are perfectly content with grinding away the best years of your life for a paycheck that barely covers your existence, I highly recommend you click away from this video right now. But if you are ready to shatter the illusion, completely rewire your subconscious paradigm, and step into the reality of true financial leverage, listen very, very closely. Let's perform a deep psychological examination of the middle-class mind. When an average person decides they need to make more money, their immediate, instinctive reaction is to ask one highly destructive question. How can I work more hours? They take on a second job. They volunteer for exhausting overtime. They start a side hustle that consumes their entire weekend. They operate under the deeply flawed assumption that money is directly attached to time and physical effort. They are trading their life energy for pennies, trapped in a cycle where their income is strictly capped by the 24 hours in a day. But let me tell you something I discovered decades ago. Money is not a reward for physical exhaustion. Money is an effect. It is a reward for the value you provide. And more importantly, it is a direct reflection of the mental paradigm from which you operate. Your subconscious mind, right now, has an internal financial thermostat set to a specific income level. And as long as your paradigm genuinely believes that you must bleed and sweat for every single dollar, your cybernetic system will successfully ensure that you never, ever discover the power of leverage. The wealthiest people in the world do not work harder than you. I have sat at tables with them. I have coached them, and I can promise you, they simply operate from a totally different set of rules. They do not use their physical bodies to generate wealth. They use their minds. They have mastered the art of separating their income from their physical time. And until you violently break the belief that hard work equals wealth, you will remain trapped in the 95% loop forever. Let me show you how to break out. Let me ask you a question, and I want you to answer it inside your own mind with absolute honesty. How many times have you looked at your bank account after a grueling, exhausting month of hard work and felt a cold pit in your stomach? You did everything society told you to do. You put in the extra hours. You skipped the family events. You sacrificed your sleep. You pushed your physical body to the absolute limit. Yet, the financial needle barely moved. Why? Because you are playing a game that is mathematically impossible to win. The masses are deeply conditioned to operate on a financial model known as linear income. Linear income is a very simple concept, and it is terribly, fatally dangerous. It means you are trading your physical time for a specific amount of money. I want you to think about the fatal flaw in this model. Your time is entirely finite. You only have 24 hours in a day. Even if you completely stop sleeping, even if you never eat, you physically cannot work more than 24 hours. Therefore, if your income is directly tied to your physical time, your income has an absolute, unbreakable ceiling. I have watched brilliant, incredibly hardworking people spend their entire lives hitting their heads against this invisible ceiling. They constantly wonder why they are always exhausted and always broke. They operate under the illusion that to double their income, they must somehow double their effort. But the human body is not a machine built for infinite physical scaling. When you try to force it, you do not get wealth. You get burnout. You get stress. You get a life filled with quiet desperation. Listen to me carefully. Working for money is the absolute lowest form of wealth generation on this planet. When you work for money, you become a servant to it. You wake up when the alarm clock dictates. You commute to a job you likely do not love, simply to earn enough to pay the bills so you can survive to do it all over again the very next week. It is a highly sophisticated trap, completely disguised as responsible adulthood. The wealthiest individuals I have ever met understand a fundamental law of the universe that the middle class completely ignores. They know that if they have to physically be present to make money, they will never, ever be truly free. The top 1% do not work to earn money. They work to build systems. They work to acquire assets. And most importantly, they work to shift their paradigm. They understand that true wealth is created by the intellect, by imagination, and by leverage, never by raw, physical labor. If you are sitting there right now, feeling completely exhausted, feeling like you are running on an endless treadmill that never stops, it is not because you are lazy. It is because you are running in the wrong direction. You are caught in the trap of working for money. And to permanently escape this trap, we must fundamentally destroy the way you view your own mind. To understand why hard work will never make you rich, I need to introduce you to the invisible architect of your entire life. For decades, I have stood on stages all over the world looking out at thousands of desperate, hardworking people. And I always tell them the exact same truth. Making money is not a physical process. It is completely, 100%, a mental game. You see, you do not have one mind. You have two. You have your conscious mind, which is your thinking mind. And you have your subconscious mind, which is your emotional, executing mind. Right now, your conscious mind is listening to my voice. It is analyzing data and aggressively deciding, I want to be wealthy. I want to build a business. I want absolute financial freedom. But here is the devastating reality. Your conscious mind only controls about 5% of your daily results. The other 95% is entirely dictated by your subconscious mind. And deep inside that subconscious mind lives a highly complex, deeply rooted program that I call the paradigm. A paradigm is a multitude of habits that have almost exclusive control over your conscious behavior. It is the mental software that was installed in you before you were even old enough to think for yourself. I want you to think of your paradigm exactly like a financial thermostat. If your internal thermostat is subconsciously set to earn $50,000 a year, you can work yourself to the bone. You can take on 3 extra jobs. You can push your physical body until it completely breaks down. Your conscious mind is trying to force success through pure, agonizing hard work. But your subconscious paradigm is watching. The moment it senses that you are trying to break out of your programmed $50,000 reality, it will deploy a massive psychological defense mechanism. It will create intense self-doubt. It will make you procrastinate. It will suddenly make you feel deeply exhausted and overwhelmed. It will literally force your behavior back into alignment with your $50,000 self-image. This is exactly why you see people win millions in the lottery, and within 3 years, they are completely broke again. Their bank account temporarily expanded, but their internal paradigm did not. And your subconscious mind will always, eventually, drag your physical reality back down to match your mental programming. This is the exact reason why sheer hard work is a massive illusion. You are actively trying to change your external results without changing your internal software. It is the equivalent of trying to change the reflection in a mirror by furiously scrubbing the glass. It is completely, biologically useless. If you want to step into the realm of true wealth, you must stop focusing on how much harder you can work. You must start focusing on how quickly you can rewrite your paradigm. You must consciously install a new financial thermostat. When you finally shift that paradigm, when your subconscious mind accepts wealth as its natural baseline, making money stops being a brutal, exhausting physical struggle. It becomes an automatic, almost effortless flow. You stop chasing money and you finally begin to attract it. If we have firmly established that your paradigm is the invisible engine driving your entire life, and that working 24 hours a day for linear income is a mathematical trap, then what is the actual alternative? How do the top 1% of earners globally create massive generational wealth without destroying their physical bodies in the process? They do it through one single, immensely powerful concept, a concept that the middle class completely misunderstands and almost never uses. That word is leverage. Give me a lever long enough and a fulcrum on which to place it, and I shall move the world. That is what the ancient Greek mathematician Archimedes said thousands of years ago. And when it comes to building wealth in the modern world, this is the exact mathematical principle you must apply to your income. Leverage is the art of multiplying your output without multiplying your physical effort. The 95% of people who are broke only know one type of leverage, their own physical body. They think, if I want 2 times the money, I must give 2 times the hours. But the 1% operate in a totally different reality. They use systems, they use capital, they use media, and they use other people's time to create infinite leverage. They completely detach their physical presence from their earning potential. Let me explain exactly how this works in the real world. When you build a business, create a piece of software, or record a digital asset, you do the heavy intellectual work exactly one time. But that system, that code, or that video can be consumed by 100 people, 1,000 people, or 10 million people while you are fast asleep. Your physical energy is no longer required for the transaction to take place. You have created a digital army that works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. They do not ask for sick leave. They do not get tired. They simply execute. This is not a fantasy. This is exactly how wealth is generated today. You must shift your paradigm from being a worker to being an architect. An architect does not lay every single brick with his own hands. He designs the system. He creates the blueprint. And then he uses leverage to build the skyscraper. Most people are terrified of this concept. Why? Because the educational system explicitly trained you to be the bricklayer. You were conditioned for 15 to 20 years to sit at a desk, memorize instructions, and trade your time for a fixed grade, which later became a fixed salary. Your paradigm tells you that if you didn't sweat for it, you don't deserve it. It makes you feel guilty for making money easily. I want you to violently reject that guilt right now. Making money effortlessly through leverage is not a crime. It is the ultimate expression of human intelligence. When you use leverage, you are not being lazy. You are being profoundly efficient. You are elevating your mindset to a frequency where you can serve millions of people at once rather than serving just one boss. If you want to achieve total financial freedom, you must immediately audit your daily actions. Look at what you are doing right now and ask yourself, am I building a system that will pay me 5 years from now, or am I just renting out my time to pay for today? If you are only renting out your time, you are in the danger zone. You must begin this very day to construct a leveraged asset. It does not matter if it takes you 1 hour a day or 5 hours a week. You must start building the machine, because until you have leverage, you will never, ever buy your time back. Now, I know exactly what your conscious mind might be asking right now. If hard work is an illusion, and I just need to shift my paradigm and use leverage, does that mean I just sit on my couch, close my eyes, and visualize money falling from the sky? Absolutely not. This is exactly where 99% of the people who study the mind and the laws of the universe completely fail. You must take action. We live in a physical universe, and physical movement is absolutely required to manifest your mental image into your physical reality. But here is the massive, life-changing distinction that you must understand today. There are 2 completely different types of action. There is desperate action and there is inspired action. Desperate action is what the 95% do every single day. It is entirely driven by fear. It is driven by panic, by debt, and by the terrifying thought of not having enough. When you take desperate action, you are trying to force a result using sheer physical willpower. You make 100 frantic phone calls with a knot in your stomach. You force yourself to work 14 hours a day, fueled by pure anxiety and cheap caffeine. You are pushing against massive biological and psychological friction. And because this universe responds to your internal vibration, not your external words, your desperate, chaotic energy simply attracts more reasons to be desperate. Now, look at the top 1%. They do not take desperate action. They take inspired action. Inspired action happens after the paradigm shift. Once you have firmly planted the clear image of your wealth into your subconscious mind, your entire physical vibration changes. You move into a state of absolute expectation. You are no longer hoping to be rich. You are actively operating from the identity of someone who already has the wealth. When you operate from this exact frequency, the action you take feels entirely different. It does not feel like hard work. It feels like flow. You might suddenly get an intense urge to make one specific phone call at 3 in the afternoon. You make that one call, and it effortlessly closes a deal that is worth more than 6 months of your previous salary. You might wake up at 4 in the morning with a brilliant idea for a leverage system. You sit down, and the exact business strategy pours out of your mind onto the paper in exactly 2 hours. To the outside world, looking in at you, it might look like you are working hard, but internally, there is absolutely zero friction. You are not pushing. You are being pulled by your vision. This is the supreme secret to executing without exhaustion. When your paradigm is perfectly aligned with your goal, your subconscious mind will feed you the exact steps you need to take. You will find yourself in the right place, at the exact right time, doing the exact right thing. You must stop running around blindly, trying to force success through physical exhaustion. Take a step back, calm your conscious mind, lock in the new paradigm, and wait for the inspired impulse. When that impulse hits you, execute with absolute, ruthless speed, because that one moment of inspired action will create more wealth than 10 solid years of desperate, grinding hard work. We are reaching the end of this broadcast, but for you, this is exactly where the real journey begins. You now possess the truth that 95% of the population will never understand. You know that grinding for 24 hours a day will not make you wealthy. You know that your paradigm has been secretly manipulating your actions, and you know that leverage is the only true path to absolute financial freedom. But knowledge, on its own, is completely useless unless it is immediately backed by a firm, irrevocable decision. If my voice resonated with your frequency today, if you felt your internal financial thermostat begin to shift as you listen to this video, you must lock in that new energy right now. Do not let this momentum evaporate into thin air. Hit the like button on this video right now. This is not just for the algorithm. This is a physical signal to your own subconscious mind that you agree with this new reality. Subscribe to BP Academy. Turn on the notification bell. Because on this channel, I am going to continually hand you the exact psychological tools and leverage systems you need to completely reprogram your mind for wealth. If you know one person in your life, a friend, a family member, or a business partner, who is working themselves to the bone, totally exhausted, and deeply trapped in the illusion of hard work, share this exact video with them right now. Be the catalyst for their paradigm shift. Before you leave this video, I have one final critical question for you, and I want you to go down to the comments section and answer it with absolute honesty. What is the one specific limiting belief about money and hard work that you are permanently destroying today? Drop your answer in the comments below. Write it down. Claim your new identity publicly. I will be personally reading through your responses, looking for the individuals who are truly ready to step into the 1%. Stop trading your life for pennies. Stop working hard and start vibrating higher. The choice is yours.